Hey guys, I was sent this inflatable hair washing basin for free by the brand so I could do a demo on it and let you know what I think about it. But for this particular video, I just wanted to do a quick one to do an unboxing and let you know what it comes with, and let you know my initial thoughts on the quality, and then I'll do another video actually using it to help wash my kids' hair. So crack that open, and here's what we have out of the box. You see it comes in a nice sealed bag. So we'll unzip that. And then in the other video, I'll figure out how to actually inflate it and use it. The tube that it comes with, maybe a 2.5 feet tube or so, something like that. And then here's the actual vinyl basin that it comes with. So this one's pink. I believe there were different color options that you could choose, but here's this one. The actual vinyl, it feels pretty pretty good vinyl. Looks like you have like your drain or siphon tube connected to it there. And then where is it? Okay, and here's your actual inflation spot there. So again, just wanted you to see what it came with, what it looks like. I'll do a separate video with the already inflated and water in and just show you how good it works, make sure it doesn't have any leaks or anything like that. But that gives you a good idea of what you'll be getting when it shows up in the mail.